Hey, I'm Tracy.
And I'm John, and we're from Legacy Woodworking Machinery.
Yeah, and we've got some exciting news that we want to share with you in this video, right?
We do.
Well, for those of you who have seen Legacy's CNC systems before, you know that they are the most versatile, most powerful CNC that you can purchase. They'll automate more woodworking processes than any other system, period, right? That's a bold statement, but it's true, and you want to check it out. But we have a couple of things that we wanted to go over today, which are pretty exciting, right?
That's right.
So if you want to buy the machine, what are your options?
Well, you can pick up just the basic machine, just the 3-axis table for your carvings, your cabinet cutouts, 3D work, chip carving, whatever you want.
That's just like any other CNC, right?
Exactly.
3-axis, put your parts on here, start cutting and go.
Let's go to work.
Right.
But Legacy builds a machine that goes beyond that, like Tracy's already mentioned today. Now, from the base system, you can add the vacuum system for sheet processing, the joinery for finger joints, dovetails, things like that, and of course the turning center, which is the powerhouse of the CNC.
Now keep in mind, you can buy just the base machine and then later upgrade if you wish, or you can add it all at the same time. However, right, we got a special offer for you.
We do. This special offer is from now until July 15th, so it's not a very long time, and here's why. Picking up the entire month of July, we're going to get you the joining systems, both X and Y. These are going to come free. It's $6,500 value, and it's going to give you the ability to do finger joints, dovetails, mortise and tenons on both the edge and the end of your board. Right, okay. So that's going to be included, and then if you order by the 15th, right? 15th, we're going to give you the turning center for free as well.
Yeah. And if you're familiar with Legacy, you know that Legacy's turning is world renowned. It's the top of the top. No one can beat it. It's because we have not only our 4-axis, but we also have an adjustable 5th axis, which gives us a lot of control. Plus you can index, you can carve, you can turn, you can even turn odd shaped parts that are not round. You can turn a queen anne leg, for example. You can all your joinery, all that on the turning center. It is extremely powerful. Now, if you look at some of the samples here, they're pretty impressive. But if you're going to build a piece of furniture, for example, the machine is incredible. Because if you take a look at this simple part right here, right? It has parts that we're going to cut on the flat 3-axis.
These legs right here.
It has the joinery we're going to do on the vertical axis.
We build all. It
has the turning we're going to do in the turning center.
Yeah.
So we automate all those processes to complete the entire project, not just part of it, not just a sample. I've seen videos and advertisements for CNC machines that show all the stuff they can do, but they can't do it all. They'll show a finished part that they've done parts of. This system is different. One system does everything.
That's right.
So again, if you order by the 15th, you're going to get this whole package. It's about a $16,000 package at no charge, all right? Now, what can you do then if you have questions?
You better give us a call. Giving us a call is 801-491-0010. We're here to help answer all your questions and get these machines in your hands to start your woodworking legacy.
Yeah. Now there's some other exciting news as well. Coming up is the AWFS show in Las Vegas, right? It's the big woodworking show in Vegas every other year.
You don't want to miss out. This is going to be fantastic.
Yeah. So then you can come and see the machine and get all your questions answered, look it up close and see how durable, how rugged, how well built the system is, and still take advantage of the promotion. Get the $16,000 package at no charge.
That's right. I've had people come in and they said, wow, it looks big on the web page, but in person, this thing is massive.
It's awesome. All right. You can also check out our website at legacywoodworking.com, or again, call our phone number at 801-491-0010. Right? We'll see you in the next video.